Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to organize tasks by priority in Todoist, your complete guide for 2025. First things first, open up your Todoist app. This is your starting point for everything you'll be doing. It's crucial to have a central hub for task management, and Todoist provides an ideal platform for this. Next up, let's add some tasks. Click on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Type in your task and hit enter. Adding the tasks is important because it gives us a clear picture of what needs to be done. Now, here's where the priority comes in. To the left of your task, there's a priority flag. Click on it. You'll see four options: P1, P2, P3, and P4. P1 is for tasks of utmost importance, while P4 is for tasks of least importance. Setting priorities helps us understand what needs our immediate attention and what can wait. Once you've set the priority, let's move on to the due date. Click on the calendar icon next to your task and set a due date. This helps us because it ensures that we're not only prioritizing our tasks, but also setting a timeline for completion. Lastly, categorize your tasks into projects. On the right side of your task, click on the project icon and select or create a project. This allows us to group similar tasks together, making it easier to manage and navigate through them. Now, let me explain why this matters. By setting priorities, due dates, and categorizing tasks, you're creating a roadmap for your day, week, or even month. This not only helps you stay organized, but also boosts your productivity as you're no longer wasting time deciding what to do next. That's all there is to it, folks. With these simple steps, you can organize your tasks by priority in Todoist effectively and efficiently. Just remember, the key here is consistency. Make it a habit to prioritize, set due dates, and categorize your tasks, and you'll see a significant improvement in your productivity and time management. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.